Hello, good morning. Today is what today? Saturday. It's 12 in the 12 o'clock noon. Yeah, and then we're going to cook. What we gonna cook, baby?
Spaghetti!
Spaghetti.
I want to show my bow.
Oh, nice,
Yeah,
your bow. Yeah. Hello, friends. Good morning. And magluluto tayo ngayon. Magluluto tayo ng sorry, my camera is shaking. Magluluto tayo ngayon ng pancit bihon with shrimp and vegetables. Let's see, I'm gonna show you what's the recipes, the ingredients. Okay, here we go. We have shrimp and shredded cabbage, shredded carrots, and the spices. This is the onion, shredded onion leaves, green onion leaves, garlic, and panggisa. And of course, we have what they call bihon, pancit bihon. It's the rice noodles. Yep. And then we have ground black pepper and salt and oil for panggisa sa spices natin, and soy sauce. Okay, let's go, guys. I'm gonna cook now. Let's cook. Okay, right? I'm gonna sorry, my camera is almost falling. Okay, here we go. And we have and then we have a pan here, skillet, and I'm gonna put the oil later after it get hot, the pan. Okay, I put already the garlic and the onion. I saute them and to make sure it's not burning the garlic. To make it, we're gonna make it brown. Yeah, it's brown now. So we're gonna mix it now. Wow. And then we're gonna put our shrimp. Okay, then we put the shrimp. We will saute. Wow. Look good. I will cook this shrimp till it's turning orange, because this is raw shrimp. And then we're gonna add the soy sauce. Gonna add the soy. And now My friend, I put soy sauce already. Now the vegetables. I'm gonna saute them. There. It's look good. Then we'll put the ground black pepper. It's look yummy. There. Haluin. We're gonna stir it. Haluin ng haluin, mga palangga. And we'll put this, the panggisa mix. And let's stir it. And then we just wait till the vegetable get a little bit tender. I'm just gonna cook half cook because I like half cook. Yeah. And later we're gonna put the rice noodle. Okay? I'll be right back. And while we're waiting to our pancit bihon, I would like to thank to all my subscribers and my viewers. Thank you so much. Keep it up, and I will post more videos, cooking videos, and yeah, and thank you so much. Okay, we're gonna look our cooking now. Let's see. We check. There we go. I just wait to get little bit cook the vegetables, and then I will put the rice noodles. I mean the bihon. Yeah, the pancit bihon. And of course, mga palangga, meron akong niluluto na isa pa. Munggo. It's mungbeans. Munggo. Lami kayo ni mga mapalangga. I put fish. Gisubakan ako gisda mga palangga. Lami na kayo. Kitilawan ako ni. I taste it and it tastes good. Simply, I put simple, no vegetable or anything, just the spices and fish. Then it's tasty like this. I like this. It's just plain. Yeah, it's very good. It's boiling. Yeah. Okay. And now, mga palangga, I put the noodles already because my hand is full of holding the camera and all the stuff to put in the noodles. And now we will put the string onions, the green leaves onion. See it look good? Look at that. Look, my friends. Look at the mga palangga. It's look yummy, right? See? Okay. At ito na mga palangga, the finished product. There we go. And my munggo. The mungbeans soup. Mungbean soup. Yeah, and my stir fry rice noodles. Does it look yummy? Wow. Okay, my friends, I'm done cooking, so we're going to eat after that, because we're hungry, Kitlin and I, yeah, for lunch. And to all my subscribers, thank you. To who not subscribes yet, subscribes now. And please, okay, thank you. See you to my eating session. Bye.